Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And in today's video, we are making banana cake. And let's get started. Here we have 8 ripe bananas. You can as well add or reduce the quantity of the bananas depending on how you prefer it. So next, I went ahead to peel off the skin. As you can see here on the screen, we are done peeling off the skin. So now go ahead and mash the bananas to form a puree. Once done, you set it aside. Next, in a mixer, I added in some soft butter. Add in some sugar, cover and beat on high speed for 2 minutes. Cream the butter and sugar until it is light, fluffy and white, okay? Now add the eggs and continue creaming until it is well combined. Next, we started by adding in all the dry ingredients. In a bowl, I added in some flour, baking powder and salt. Now mix to combine. Once that is done, gradually add in the flour mixture. Some coconut flakes, banana mixture, buttermilk, but this is optional, okay? Add some vanilla extract. Now go ahead and cover, mix until it is well incorporated. Next, prepare the cake pan by greasing the inside of the pan with butter and then dusting with flour, as you can see here on the screen. This helps to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. Next, I added some dry fruits. Here I'm using raisins. This is optional, okay? Now I went ahead and poured the cake batter into the prepared cake pan. You can as well shake or smoothen the top with a spatula, okay? So next, I topped it up with some dry fruit raisin. Feel free to use any dry fruit of your choice. Next, bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour. You can as well dip a wooden skewer into the middle of the cake. If it comes out clear, the cake is done. 1 hour later, our cake is done. And let it cool down completely. The cake has completely cooled down now. I'm going ahead to give it some cuts. Ready to be served, and let's see how the inside looks. Can you see the cake looks so moist and tasted so super delicious and yummylicious? Hope you find this amazing recipe helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.